Buying a used electric vehicle might sound like the smartest way to join the EV revolution without spending a fortune. But it's not as simple as just finding a good deal online. There are key things that can make or break your experience with a pre-owned EV. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 essential things every used electric car buyer must consider before signing the deal. If you're thinking about getting a used Tesla, Nissan Leaf, Chevy Bolt, or any other electric car, this guide could save you thousands in repairs and help you buy with confidence. Let's get started. 1. Battery health and degradation. The heart of your EV. The most important part of any electric vehicle is its battery pack. It's the equivalent of an engine in a gasoline car. Unlike traditional engines, EV batteries naturally degrade over time, meaning they lose capacity and range. Before buying, ask for a battery health report or a state of health reading. Many brands, like Tesla, Nissan, Hyundai, and BMW, provide this through their service centers or even through third-party diagnostic tools. Look for a battery with at least 85 to 90% health remaining. Anything below that may mean reduced range and possible replacement costs down the road. And EV batteries aren't cheap. A replacement can cost $8,000 to $20,000, depending on the model. So, battery condition should always be your #1 priority. 2. Charging history and maintenance records. Next up, charging history. How the previous owner charged the car can greatly affect the battery's lifespan. Frequent fast charging, DC charging, can degrade batteries faster than slow. Level 2 home charging. Ask for charging habits and maintenance records. If the owner mainly used home charging and kept the car in mild climates, that's a good sign. Also, check if the battery and drive unit warranty is still active. Many EVs have 8-year or 100,000-mile warranties, which can be a big safety net for used buyers. 3. Real-world range versus. Advertised range EVs rarely deliver their original advertised range once they've aged a few years. Temperature, driving habits, and battery wear all affect how far the car can really go on a single charge. Always test drive the EV and check real-world range results from owners online. You can find this info on EV forums, Reddit, or YouTube reviews. If the model originally promised 250 miles, but now gets around 200, that's normal. But if it's dropped to 150 or less, that's a red flag. Your EV should meet your daily driving needs without range anxiety. 4. Charging compatibility and network access. Not all charging networks are created equal, and not all EVs use the same connectors. Before you buy, make sure the EV you're considering works with charging stations in your area. For example, Tesla uses its supercharger network, while most other brands rely on CCS or CHAdeMO connectors. Also, check if your home setup can support Level 2 charging. If you don't have a garage or dedicated charging space, installing one could cost between $500 to $1,500. So factor that in. Being confident about your charging options is key to stress-free EV ownership. 5. Software updates and connectivity features. Unlike gas cars, electric vehicles rely heavily on software for everything from battery management to driving assistance. Before buying, confirm that the EV's software is up to date. Some older EVs may no longer receive updates, especially if they're out of warranty or the brand has changed platforms. For Teslas, you can check the firmware version in the About section. For others like Hyundai, VW, or Ford, check through their respective apps or service centers. Also, make sure features like navigation, charging route planning, and mobile app connectivity are working. These can dramatically improve your daily driving experience. 6. condition of the cooling and electrical systems. EVs may not have oil changes, but they still need proper thermal management. The battery cooling system, power electronics, and charger inverter are all critical components. Ask a certified EV technician to inspect the cooling system. Look for leaks or signs of overheating. If you're considering early models of the Nissan Leaf or Chevy Bolt, be cautious. Some lacked liquid cooling, leading to faster battery wear in hot climates. A quick inspection can save you from a huge repair bill later. 7. Incentives, depreciation, and resale value. Used EVs drop in price fast, which can be good for buyers. But check local incentives for used EVs too. Some states still offer rebates or tax credits for used electric cars. Additionally, research which brands hold the most value. Tesla, Kia, and Hyundai are performing well in resale due to their solid warranty coverage and software support. Don't skip this step. It affects your long-term ownership cost. 8. Battery cooling climate history. Where the car has lived plays a huge role in battery health. EVs kept in extreme heat or cold climates tend to lose range faster. If possible, check the vehicle history report or ask the seller where the car was mainly driven. A used EV from California or the Pacific Northwest might be in much better shape than one from Arizona or Alaska. 9. Warranty transfer and brand support. Many EV warranties are transferable to second owners, but not all. Before buying, confirm whether the battery, drivetrain, and software warranties transfer automatically. Also, check if the brand still offers support or updates for that model. For example, Tesla offers strong after-sales support, but older models from discontinued brands might have limited parts or service centers. 10. Cost of replacement. Parts and repairs electric vehicles are simpler mechanically, but repairs can still be expensive, especially for batteries, screens, or charging ports. Before buying, get quotes from local EV-certified repair shops for common parts and labor rates. Not every mechanic can service an EV, and towing or diagnosis can cost more than a gas car. Knowing this in advance helps you budget properly and avoid surprises. Buying a used electric vehicle can be an amazing way to go green and save money, if you know what to look for. Focus on battery health, charging compatibility, and software support, and you'll be miles ahead of most buyers. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more EV buying tips, reviews, and ownership guides, and share it with someone considering a used electric car. Drive smart, charge smart, and welcome to the electric future.